वेलकम व्यूअर्स आज हम बनाने वाले हैं द मोस्ट डिलीशियस रेसिपी. द नेम ऑफ दिस रेसिपी इज मिक्स्ड फ्रूट jam. This dish is about to be so yummy and really healthy. So let's start. First we will peel our pomegranate. As you can see, we will add half of the pomegranate, as you can see in our recipe, and now we will mix it and we will take out the seeds. So in the jam you don't like the seeds. So guys, हमने अपना pomegranate डाल दिया है ग्राइंडर में और उसके साथ 1 cup वाटर डाल दिया है. And now blend it well. As you can see, our fresh pomegranate juice is ready. We have also stained it. This looks so yummy. Okay guys, so we will take 1 apple and 4 dates, and we will take all the seeds out. So guys, अब हम अपने एप्पल्स को ऐसे हमने काट लिए. अब हम इसको थोड़ा सा और छोटे करेंगे. ओके, अब हम अच्छे से इसको छोटा छोटा कर रहे हैं, as you can see, and we'll put it on our side. ऐसे ही हम अपने सारे करते रहेंगे, काटते रहेंगे एप्पल्स अच्छे से, as you can see, and slowly maturely. Yeah, as you can see, our date and our apple are ready, and we'll put it in our grinder. Nicely. And our dates. And now we will add our 1 cup of grapes. And make a puree with the pomegranate juice. So guys, as you can see, our puree is ready and it tastes so good and nice. Now guys, we will add our puree in the pan, and it is almost 2 cups. Let's bring it to boil. We'll wait until our puree boils. And this looks so nice. This is amazing. And now we will add 1 stick of cinnamon. And now we will mix it nice and gently with a wooden spoon. And now we will cook it on high flame, as you can see. And now we will add 2 cups of sugar. Now we will add 2 cups of sugar. There we go, our sugar is in. And now we will let it cook for 20 minutes or something. After 20 to 15 minutes, as you can see, the color is so nice and it is really nice, as you can see, and thick. Look, this looks so yummy. Guys, so guys, after 20 to 15 minutes, as you can see, this is so nice and really thick and delicious as well. Now we will take out the cinnamon that we added earlier. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. There we go. There we have 1 and the second one. If you want more nice color, then you can add food color. It is optional. splatter some food color to make it a bit red. As you can see, the color is really nice and yummy. And now we will only cook it for 5 minutes and that's it. As you can see, it is so much thick and colorful. You can see. And now we will test it. Now we will put it in a plate. And as you can see, it's not falling down. That means it is ready. And now we will test it. And now we will take a clean jar and pour our jam in it. Our delicious jam. Let's pour it nicely because this is really delicious and healthy as well. Homemade jam is ready, guys. This is so delicious, as you can see. And now I will test it. And now I will spread it on the bread. You know, to test it. Nicely. And now, guys, this is time to eat it. This is so good. So guys, you have to try this. This is a delicious recipe. Please subscribe my channel, leave a like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And bye.